Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a cute cartoon hydro flask. Now to begin with our hydro flask, we want to start with the top. So right about here on our paper, I'm going to make a straight line across just like that. Then, starting on one side, I'm going to draw a line that goes straight up, and then I want to do the same thing on the other side. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes straight across for the lid. Now, on this side, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out and then back in. And then I want to do the same thing on this side, curve out and then back in. Next, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve up and then it's going to go down. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just curve up and then down, like two sad faces. Then, starting right under here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve down. It's going to go across and then back up right here. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out, and then it's going to go straight down like this. And then I want to do the same thing on this side, just kind of curve out, and then go straight down. And then when I get to about here, I'm going to just curve it across to connect it. Now, we want to give this a little cartoon face. So starting right here towards the bottom, I'm going to draw a big circle for an eye. And then I'm going to draw another big circle right over here for another eye. Then I'm going to draw a big circle in here and then a smaller one here. And then I want to do the same thing on this one. And then you're just going to color in around those two circles. Okay, now starting right here in between the eyes, I'm going to make a little curved line like this for a mouth. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and then back up. And then I'm going to make a little line that just curves right here for the tongue. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cute cartoon hydro flask. Now there are lots of different faces and stuff you can put on here. You could put extra little things like stickers and whatnot, any different thing. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.